Homemade seed starting containers are a very easy and cheap way to grow healthy seedlings. The best part is that when the seedlings are ready, you can plant them directly into the garden without taking the plant out of the container. This means the roots do not get disturbed, and the plant keeps growing without any stress. To make these simple containers, we use paper cores or cardboard tubes from wallpaper rolls. These tubes are soft enough to break down in the soil later, but strong enough to hold soil in the beginning. Start by marking each tube so that you get pieces about 3 inches tall. This size is perfect for almost all vegetable seeds because it gives enough space for the roots to grow in the early stages. After marking, cut the tube into several pieces. Each piece will become one bottomless container. Since the bottom is open, the roots will be able to grow out easily when they need more space. Now we prepare the seed starting soil. This is very important because the soil will give your seeds the food and comfort they need to sprout and grow strong. Mix equal parts of loamy garden soil and fully decomposed manure. Loamy soil drains well and has a soft texture, while the manure adds nutrients for early growth. Then add bone meal and neem cake powder to the mix. Bone meal helps roots grow faster and stronger. Neem cake powder keeps harmful soil pests away and also improves the soil. Mix everything well so the soil becomes soft, rich, and easy for roots to grow through. Next, take an old fruit basket. These baskets are great because they allow water to drain easily and keep everything in place. Fill the basket with some of the soil mix so that the bottom has a soft layer of soil. This will help hold the cardboard tubes steady. Place the tubes in the basket and push them slightly into the soil so they stand well and do not fall over. Fill each tube with the same soil mix. Tap the sides gently so the soil settles but does not get too tight. Now it's time to plant seeds. In this example, we are planting peas. Pea seeds grow well in containers like this. Put 2 seeds in each tube. Planting 2 seeds makes sure at least 1 seed grows well. If both sprout, you can keep them or remove the weaker one later. Cover the seeds lightly with a bit of soil and press gently so the seeds stay in place. After planting, water everything carefully. Use a gentle spray or a small watering can so the soil does not wash out of the tubes. Watering helps the soil settle and gives the seeds the moisture they need to start growing. When you finish watering, place the fruit basket in partial shade. This keeps the soil from drying too fast and protects the seeds from strong sunlight. If the temperature in your area is very cold, put the basket in a greenhouse or a warm spot so the seeds get enough warmth to sprout. In the next days, keep checking the soil. It should stay moist but not too wet. You will soon see the pea seedlings coming out of the soil. As the days pass, the cardboard tubes will slowly get soft. This is good because when you are ready to move the seedlings to the garden, you won't need to remove the tubes. Just dig a small hole and plant the whole tube into the soil. The roots will easily push through the soft cardboard and keep growing. This simple method saves money, uses recycled materials, and helps seedlings grow strong and healthy. It also makes transplanting very easy, with almost no root damage, giving your plants the best start possible.